this episode of Authentic, where the goal is to give you all authentic information about things and activities that you can do with your little ones easily. So let's get started. Today's episode will be focusing on learning letters and their sounds through singing our ABCs, chanting the letter sounds, as well as reinforcing through everyday activities that you can do around the house or in your community. First, we're going to start off with learning our ABCs through a song. Are you ready, Tatum? Yeah. All right, let's get started. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job. Next, we're going to use our letters from our ABC song to create a chant. A, apple. Apple. B, ball. Ball. C, cat. Good. D, donkey. Good. E, elephant. Elephant. F, G, gorilla. Gorilla. H, hat. I, igloo. Igloo. J, jump. Let me see you jump. Jump. All right. K, kangaroo. It's okay. Kangaroo. L, lion. Lion. Good job, Tatum. Last but not least, let's reinforce through a simple activity that we do every single day. Washing our hands. You ready? All right, let's get a pump of soap. And Mommy's gonna get a pump of soap too. All right, let's wet our hands. Wet your hands. All right, and let's sing our A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thank you for joining us for this episode of Authentic. Let's do a recap. First, we sang our ABCs through a song. Next, we did a chant with our ABCs. And last but not least, we reinforced our activities through washing our hands. Tatum knows once the end of the ABC song is over, his hands are clean. And this is an easy everyday activity that you can do at home with your little one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.